This is a Roblox puck lock. I was at the Amazon returns bin store today, and I got 2 of these and one of those keypad smart lock things for 15 bucks. Figured why not, right? So I just want to go over a couple of ways that I figured out how to get into them. I'm going to start out with bottom of the keyway and a half diamond. Of course, when I try to do this on like an actual video. Oh, there it is. Okay, I got it. So you can zip it. They rake really easily. And then to single pin pick it, I'm going to switch from bottom of the keyway to top of the keyway. And I'm just going to use the multi-pick standard hook in 23 thousandths. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 feels loose. 4, 3, 2, and 1 opens it up. So yeah, these aren't great, but I mean, you know, 2 of them for $7. What are you gonna do? So that is the Roblox puck lock. Oh, and that's the bidding.